Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan continue to shiver as cold wave sweeps the northwest of India. In fact, early morning temperatures today was recorded at 6 degrees Celsius in the national capital. Temperatures are likely to remain below normal in days to come. Delhi registered its lowest temperature of the season on Saturday. In Uttar Pradesh, the weather office has issued an orange alert as many districts are likely to experience cold waves for the next 4 to 5 days. Cold waves also intensified in Haryana and Punjab. Kashmir continued to reel under freezing night temperatures, even as there was marginal increase in the minimum temperatures in Srinagar. Some respite is expected in northwest India, as Weather Office stated on Saturday that minimum temperature in the region will rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in the next 48 hours. Sushant Mehra joining us from Delhi. Sushant, Delhi has seen quite a dip in temperatures, 6 degrees Celsius that it was reported early this morning. Take us through the weather forecast in the next few days. What's to expect?
देखिए, जिस तरीके से पहाड़ी इलाकों में लगातार बर्फबारी हो रही है, कश्मीर, लद्दाख और जम्मू में, उसका असर सीधे तौर पर मैदानी इलाकों, दिल्ली, उत्तर भारत के कई इलाकों के अंदर जो है वो पड़ता हुआ साफ तौर पर नजर आ रहा है। शीतलहर का एक प्रकोप जो है बड़ी तेजी के साथ जो है वो दिल्ली और एनसीआर के अंदर साफ तौर पर नजर आ रहा है, जिसका असर अगर कहा जाए तो तापमान पर भी पड़ा है। 6 डिग्री का तापमान जो है वो आज दिल्ली का दर्ज किया गया है। सुबह का वक्त है और मौसम विभाग की माने तो वीकेंड यानी शनिवार और रविवार यानी आज के दिन और कल तक भी अगर कहा जाए तो शीत लहर जो है वो पूरी तरीके से दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर छाई रहेगी और तापमान एक बार फिर से जो है वो गिरेगा। पिछले 2 दिन पहले अगर कहा जाए तो दिल्ली का तापमान 3 डिग्री तक पहुंचा था। उम्मीद है मौसम विभाग को एक बार फिर ये 3 डिग्री तक तापमान जो है वो पहुंच सकता है, जिस तरीके से शीत लहर लगातार चल रही है।
Let me quickly get across to Shuja ul Haq joining us from Srinagar. Shuja, we understand that Srinagar is cold. You have a cold wave that's hit most parts of North India, including Jammu and Kashmir. How are people managing?
Well, yes, that's right, Nabila. It is the cold wave that is sweeping all across Jammu Kashmir and Kashmir Valley is at the epicenter. Just yesterday, the temperatures went down to minus 6.6 at in Srinagar in itself, and in other areas like Gulmarg, Pahalgam, the temperatures have been going down till minus 10 degrees of late. Even today, it's almost the same temperature that has been recorded for last couple of days. I'm just still waiting for the Met Department to give us updated figures, but more or less it's the same. Below freezing point is what we are witnessing here in the valley, and it definitely is creating a lot of trouble for local population. Many have been complaining that their water supplies have at times started developing cracks because of the extreme cold wave. There are issues with regards to the electricity and its supply, and of course, other issues, health-related issues that come with this extreme weather in itself. The Met Department has predicted that there could be same kind of weather that we would witness at least for next few days. It's going to be dry and cold. There would perhaps be more dip in the temperatures. I would also like to tell you that in certain areas, the water bodies have also started partially freezing. So overall, we are witnessing an extreme sort of effect of the cold wave that has been sweeping across North India.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.